InstaDoodle versus Videoscribe versus Doodly, which is the best whiteboard animation software? Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate comparison video for the whiteboard animation softwares. Today we are comparing InstaDoodles with Videoscribe and Doodly. So let's get into the video. I will show you all of these softwares one by one. So first of all, we have Doodly.com, which is a very simple and famous whiteboard animation platform that allows you to create whiteboard animations with a simple drag and drop editor. You can see right here, this is what it looks like when you create a video with Doodly. With Doodly, we will get a professional dashboard where you can create videos, and now we can even add different pictures and videos, and these are the type of videos you can create with Doodly. So what happens is that you can have these animations and these type of animations right here, and you can add the writing, and you even get this layout of a hand drawing. So if you're kind of into making a video like this, then you should check out Doodly. And we can add text as well. We can select different types of fonts for the text, and with Doodly we have a simple drag and drop editor, so it's not complicated at all, and there's no hidden coding involved. When it comes to Doodly, the signing up process is really easy. You can sign up using your Google account, or you can use your email address. So you can click on try Doodly, and it will allow you to check out the 14-day free trial, and you can just add the information right here and get your Doodly. Now let's move forward to Videoscribe. Videoscribe is a bit more professional than Doodly, and with Videoscribe we actually create animated videos that are not just whiteboard animation but more. It is a user-friendly animation tool, and you can create animated videos. You can add interactive stickers, and you can create videos for small businesses. You can create videos for educational purposes and more. With Videoscribe, it's a bit different than Doodly because the layout is a bit different, and the video that we create are also a bit different style. This is actually drawing hands as well. That one you will also get, and you can actually control the camera position. You can add scenes and timelines. You can see use scenes to structure your narrative and break up your video into digestible chunks. Audio and video voiceover is available with Videoscribe, and video sizes of all types are available too. Signing up process for Videoscribe is also really easy. You can sign up for free using your Google account. So you're just gonna click on try for free, and let me show you how you will create the account. Okay, you can see we can actually signing up process for Videoscribe is more easier than Doodly. For Doodly, you will actually have to add your billing info, but for Videoscribe, you don't need to do that. Videoscribe also deals with different products you can use Videoscribe for marketing, sales, business, education, and more. And there are multiple templates available as well. So to create an account, you just enter the first name, last name, email address, and password, and then you are good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and compare some features and signing up process for InstaDoodle. With InstaDoodle, it is actually highly professional and very famous animation making platform. You can actually use AI now with InstaDoodle to create a animated video. What happens with this one is you can create whiteboard videos, and then there is the quality is really good with InstaDoodle. There's also now an AI engine available to help you with your animations. Similarly, you can add your own voiceovers, you can add background music, you can add a lot more. You can also convert your sketches or images into animations with InstaDoodle. So these are some of the basic features that you will be getting here. If we talk about the signing up process for InstaDoodle, then it's also easy. What you can do is you can click on Get InstaDoodle, and then you will actually have to buy the plan, and then you can sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google account. Now let's talk about the quality of the video, or what type of videos you can create with Doodly, Videoscribe, or InstaDoodles. Well, when it comes to Doodly, you will be able to create educational videos. You can go ahead and create YouTube videos. You can create presentations, and you can create something like this as well. You can see not just black and white videos, but you can do a bit more. If we compare Doodly with InstaDoodle or with Videoscribe, Doodly is a bit more basic, and it's black and white, or a very simple, handwritten animation. That's what you will be getting here. It's clearly and solely for whiteboard animation. But if we talk about Videoscribe, Videoscribe allows you to create videos for, there are different templates available as well. So you can create business videos, you can create educational videos, you can create YouTube videos and many other type of videos. So there are different templates as well. So you can see when it comes to educational videos, you can create something like this. And let's say that I want to create a YouTube video. So I can simply go to the YouTube templates here and we can customize a template that will save me a lot of time and that will save me. You can see these look pretty good and they are created completely with Videoscribe. So you can see with Videoscribe, we can not just create the whiteboard animation, but we can create presentations. This is clearly a presentation right here. Videoscribe works as not just a animation platform, but also a video editor. That is a very big difference between Doodly and Videoscribe. Now, if we talk about InstaDoodle, InstaDoodle also has a lot of templates available, and it allows us to create videos for educational purposes, for YouTube videos, of course, business videos, or any other type of video we want to create. So let me show you this video right here that has been created with, InstaDoodles. InstaDoodle is also really easy to use. It has a simple drag and drop editor that will allow you to create the video, and you can of course choose from different templates, and you will be able to save a lot of time here with InstaDoodle. If we compare InstaDoodle with Doodly and Videoscribe, it's a bit more, I would say a little more complicated than the other two platforms, because with this one, firstly, there's like no free plan available for you to try. And secondly, what happens is that the interface for this one, because it's a video editor, it now also has an AI. So the interface for if we compare the interface, then I think it's a bit complicated than the other two. Now we're going to go ahead and compare the pricing plan for these three platforms. So you can see right here for InstaDoodle, we can go ahead and get this for lifetime offer is available right here, which is for just $37. And there is no monthly fee, create unlimited videos. So you can actually go ahead and check out this one. This is like the ultimate plan that they are offering here. Similarly, if we talk about the pricing plan for Videoscribe, well, Videoscribe has a free trial, Lite, Plus, and Pro. So free trial is completely free, and we can start it. We will be able to download 3 videos, 9,000 images available, watermarked videos. Okay, there is a Lite for just $12.50 per month, and then there is a Plus for $18.75 per month, and then there is Pro for $23.30 per month. Okay, if we compare it to InstaDoodle, I think it's a bit cheaper. Then we have Doodly, and let's take a look at the pricing plan for Doodly. So Doodly offers a 2 pricing plan. There is a standard for $49 per month, where you will be getting more than 1,000 character images. Then there is an enterprise for $79 per month. Well, Doodly is a bit expensive than other two, because this also involves complicated, editing, and you can actually try out any of these for free, and it offers a lot of different features here. So that's why you can actually choose a plan from here. So that is the comparison between InstaDoodle, Videoscribe, and Doodly. You can go ahead and make an informed decision that which platform is better for you to use for your video editing and for creating animations. If this video was a big help, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.